Hey, welcome back again. This is Sampath. You're watching Sampath Fix YouTube channel. This is the Gladiator OS 21.11.25 super smooth version for Redmi Note 7 Pro. As you can see, this is a version for Redmi Note 7 Pro with Android 10 based ROM. As you can see, these are the settings panel you get. It's super smooth. Home screen or app drawer you get. You can add a search bar here. This is how it works, and let me unlock once. This is how the cool super wallpapers you get. Let me show you some of the pre-installed wallpapers are available in this ROM. As you can see, these are the super wallpapers. You can choose among one, whichever you want. All are working fine. Here I don't have any problem. Here there will be cloud something symbol is shown in some of the MIUI ported ROMs, but in this it's not the case. Directly it's get downloaded. That's the nice thing in this ROM. Let's move into the benchmark results. In this ROM you will get like, definitely this ROM is based on gaming only, so the scores are like 488 single score and the multi score is 1478. And this is how the Linux 4.1.4.117 this is the kernel used in this ROM. And by the way, if you're first time to this channel, hit the subscribe down below and also already bell notification by pressing the bell icon. And if you like the video, give it a like. And this is how the home screen you will get, and this is how, if you left swipe you will get the notifications. If you swipe from right you will get the control center. All the basics settings are given in the control center. As you can see, even you can choose the data usage. And in the dialer you will get direct video call feature, and also let me show settings. As you can see, call recording feature is also available in this ROM. You can auto call record everything or record automatically. You can choose from here. This is how it works. You can even choose the all numbers or select numbers also. You can choose recording the calls. That's the beauty of MIUI ROMs. And you also get these kind of options. The 3.4 GB out of 6 GB is available. Memory extension, memory expandable also you can check out from here. Let's run the CPU throttling test. Agree here. Let's start the test. As you can see, after 3 minutes like that, I will stop here. The CPU throttle, it's getting throttled after 3 minutes only, so I don't recommend this ROM as of now. It's still an unofficial stage. Once it become official, I will be retesting this ROM, but as of now it is getting throttled. As you can see in the chart. This is how the ROM performance. I don't think it's a good ROM, but many are requested this video regarding this Gladiator OS on Redmi Note 7 Pro. Maybe this ROM is better for some other smartphones, but Redmi Note 7 Pro as of now it's throttling. I can easily say by seeing the CPU throttling test. Let's see whether the VGMI, how it handles. And this is the gaming mode. Even the gaming mode also you won't get in this one, whatever you call new gaming mode. It's old only. You won't even get the voice changer options also in this ROM. For going, as you can see, the graphic settings is smooth precision. Even you get 90 FPS, but recommended 60 FPS. Let's see whether it As you can see, it's playable in 60 FPS. I hope you guys can see.
Nice shot. Clear. Reloading.
There is a graphic settings here, smooth plus extreme. In HD and high also you can get, but smooth plus extreme is recommended settings. As you can see, there is lag. If you guys can notice, do comment down in the comment section below, and I will come back. Settings from here. As you can see, this is how the settings panel. You get all the basic things are working fine. As you can see in the Wi-Fi connection, you will get all the basic settings, and Bluetooth settings also you get these things. Connection sharing, you get cast, VPN, private DNS, wireless display, and even you can reset these things. And come out like wallpaper and personalization. You won't get any always on display in this ROM. These are the wallpapers and some of the things like you can adjust the icon size, and also you can change the icons from here. These are the pre-installed wallpapers I already shown. Ringtones you can change here. New MIUI 12.5 style, it's available. This is the wallpaper and personalization. Let's go into the lock screen. You get all the basic functions. As you can see, that's not a problem. In the display settings you get dark mode. Let me show you. This is how the dark mode looks. The settings panel also, and this is how dark mode works. It's working fine in the bleach back condition only, not gray type or anything like that. You can even schedule the dark mode, and reading mode is available. Color scheme, you get these options. These are the options you get. On font settings, you can change the fonts using themes app, and these are the display settings. You get all the basic things are given. In the notification control center, you get latest notification center. As you can see, you get some of the options like quick settings layout. You can select default. Also, you can enable switch control center side. This is how it works. And in the home screen settings, its default launcher is MIUI launcher. System navigation, you can choose. I have kept here buttons. If you want, you can even no gesture support are available or what? I don't think so. Okay, app home screen you can choose from here. And -1 screen you can choose Google Discover also, which is good thing. Search bar provider you can keep double tap to lock screen. Let me show you whether it works or not. As you can see, it's working fine. And this is how the face unlock, and let me show you the fingerprint unlock also. Just tap unlock once again. It's fast. Even the face unlock is also very fast. Let me show you once again. Just tap unlock. As you can see, it's pretty quick, and this cool animation of wallpaper is also fine in this ROM. Let's see the basic things like safety net status, whether it get passed or not. I think it will get passed. Under 10 build. As you can see, it get passed. You can use all the payment applications, WhatsApp, all are working fine in this ROM, not a problem. And coming to like DRM info, you will get wide one level 1 certification. Watching is OTT applications in HD content is not a problem in this ROM. Basic things, everything is fine, and this kind of high performance ROM, but there is a throttling and lag in the gameplay as you have seen before also. And regarding speed test also, the Wi-Fi connection is fine. Even mobile internet also working fine in this ROM. Even calling like any echo like that, I never faced any problem. Using Bluetooth earphones also working fine in this ROM, not a problem in this ROM. As you can see, the payment applications you can use, it's not a problem in this ROM. Let me go into the settings, and you'll get app lock pre-installed. In the additional settings you get all these settings: full screen display, gesture shortcuts. You can choose among this. To take a screenshot, 3 finger you can enable from here. One-handed mode, quick ball, accessibility menu is also available in this ROM. And the special features, these things you get: game turbo, video toolbox is also given. It's old type only, not a new one. Floating window is also working fine. Second space, all these things are working fine in this ROM. This is how the Gladiator OS latest version based on Android 10 for Redmi Note 7 Pro. And if you like the video, give it a like, guys. And this is how the ROM, and I will be making similar kind of videos. Do subscribe to my channel. And flashing it is also very simple of this ROM. In the previous video I have shown how to flash the Darkfest ROM. You can check out there. Same method this also. Just now you are watching the entire video, hence I am making short. I hope you understand, and thank you for watching, guys. We'll meet you with another interesting video. Until that, keep smiling. Bye bye for now.